Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's staying blessed today. Today's video is about this unit right there. Let me give you a slow-mo. Then keep on watching. So this unit is from Grace and Glamour. It's the Silky Bob and it's a 10-inch. So take a look on how I install this look, then I will be back with my review. short tutorial on how I basically I cut and straighten and install this unit. Now about this unit, my reviews about this unit. This unit is from Grace and Glamour and is the silky bob and it is 10-inch. Now you guys know way back 2 weeks ago, more than 2 weeks ago, I've been wrapping my hair a lot in, and it shows in all my video. And the reason why I was wrapping my hair is because I was treating my hair, but I still want to continue treating my hair. Even if my treatment is done, I still want to continue treating my hair. So I do not want to go back to install a lace unit as yet. I decided I wanted a wig that I can just throw on and by the end of the day just remove and continue with my treatment even while I have this unit on my head. This unit, oh my god, is so amazing. It's so soft. I wish you could feel how soft it is. It is a 10-inch silk bulb from Grace and Glamour, and when I get it, I do not get any shedding whatsoever. And then also about this unit is that the bang, it was super long. I mean, it was like right there. So I had it, I had to cut it. And then in the video you see where I was about to cut it and I was like, no, I'm not a hair specialist, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not gonna be into that thing. So I asked my sister to help me out in cutting this unit. If she wasn't there, honestly, I'll be real, I would take it down to the salon and ask them to cut this unit to how I like it. And then I find she do a very good job in cutting this unit for me. Also, this unit do not come with any comb at the back and on the two side. That's the only disappointing. It's a small thing, whereas I can just go down to the beauty supply store and just get like free combs to install at the back and on the side. Basically, I do not need an extra comb because this unit is really tight on my hair. Even if I don't clip the band together, it fits, but I want extra secure, so I clip the band and it fits. It's tight, it's not going anywhere. But just for extra support, I feel comfortable in getting the comb so I can attach under and then on the side. So that's all I have to say about this unit. The band was too long, I cut the band, I straightened the hair didn't shed at all. There's no comb, but it's okay. I will just go down to the beauty supply store and get comb. You don't need any extra comb in this unit because this unit is super tight on your head. It's not going anywhere. And then I really like it. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Grace and Glamour, for hooking me up. I really love this unit. I love everything about it, and it's gonna be with me for a while, and it's the right length. If you're someone who's not into the long hair, it's the right length. I'm a big fan of long hair, but lately over the summer, I'm really digging short hair right now. I'm telling you guys. So yeah, in this unit is from Grace and Glamour. The link is down in the description bar. It will take you straight to her Instagram page. And yes guys, I'm loving this. I really am loving this, and I know you are loving it too. Grace and Glamour, guys. Grace and Glamour. Until next time, peace, love, always. Bye.